So hello guys, today we are going to discuss about security. In my last videos, you have seen routing process, switching process, and your designing and IP addressing process. Yes, you have also done one topic named port security in switching, but today we are going to discuss about network security on layer 3. So first of all, we need to understand what is the need of security. So the need of security is if you want to prevent unauthorized access from outsiders. If you want to prevent unauthorized access from outsiders network into your own network. Like I don't want that anybody will disturb to me. Okay, I don't want to get disturbed from outsider. So I need to use security in my network. So in my network, I have to use some concept like security concept, like what is firewall, what is ACL, what is NAT. Okay, so today I'm going to discuss about the topic which name is a network security. And in security module, we have topics like ACL, NAT, another port security. So mainly today's my topic is ACL, access control list. Okay, so I'm don't want to waste time and I'm going to start the concept with ACL. So first of all, you need to understand what is ACL. ACL is access control list. Okay, as I already told you, it is used to like prevent unauthorized access from outside. But ACL is a you can say set of commands that are grouped together. ACL is a set of commands that are grouped together, like for deny the interface, permit the interface, or you can say filtering the information on an interface. Okay, like you can block the whole network with ACL. You can allow the network which you want to allow, and you can filter some information on your network. Okay, so ACL is access control. Like you can also say if you put router plus ACL together, then it is called your firewall. But in my network security industry, we have hardware firewall also there. But first of all, we need to understand ACL on Cisco routers. So ACL's types are numbered ACL and named ACL. Numbered ACL and named ACL. Basically for preventing the outsiders, like preventing the unauthorized access, we use number ACL. We have a number range from 1 to 199. And in named ACL, we have to use any word to block the network, to allow the network, or filter the network. Okay. But basically, I just want to let you know that named ACL is used to modify the ACL. So maximum time, like engineers use numbered ACL, and named ACL is used to modify the ACL. And these two ACL also has another two types, like named and number, both has two types, which we have to discuss. One is standard ACL and one is extended ACL. Extended ACL. So you need to know about what is the meaning of standard ACL and what is the meaning of extended ACL. If we talk about the named ACL, then in both the ACL, we use some word like any name XYZ. But if we talk about the number ACL, then standard ACL has 1 to 99 number and 100 to 199 number range. Okay. So this is the simple difference. And when you are going to block any network or filter any network and you are using standard ACL, then in standard ACL, you can only use source, address, as any condition test, like you want to block allow filter, you can use source address as a packet condition. But in extended ACL, you can use both source and destination. I will show you this theory with one example. Okay. Like what is the meaning of standard ACL and extended ACL? Just wait. Like in standard, I have told you, you can use only source address. Okay. So for example, I have a network. I have to draw any simple network. This is a router. Okay, this is router is connected with another router. Okay, router is connected with another router also. We have one internal network which is connected with switch. And here also we have any network. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Here also we have some like public network, cloud, you can say cloud. Okay. Now this is your internal network and this network is 10.0.0.0/29. So for this router, this is your inside network. Like 10 is your inside network and all other network like 20, 30, 40, 50, they are known as your outside network. Okay. And if you want to block 10 pinging with any other network, you want to block 10, like you don't want that 10 will ping with 20 or 30. You want to secure this or you want to block this network with everyone. So in standard ACL, you can put command on your 10, or if you want to block like any specific network blocking with 10, like 20, 30 or 50, then you can put command directly over 30. Okay. Like in standard ACL, you are not able to put command on both the addresses. Either you can block 10 with everyone, or you can block 30 with 10, 20 with 10, or 50 with 10. Understand the concept? Like you can do practice only on one network. Like if I have 2 students in my class, you are my direct network. One is 10.0.0.1 and one is 10.0.0.2. I don't want that you can ping outside. So I can block you. Either I can block that persons whom I don't want to connect with you. So in standard ACL, you can only put command on source or only destination. But in extended ACL, like if you are using extended, in extended ACL, you can put commands over both the router, source and destination. Like if you want to block specifically 10.0.0.0/29, block with 20.0.0.0/29. So you can put the command like 10 should block with 20. Like both source and destination you can block. Okay. In extended, the benefit is you can block network to single host. You can block your single host with network. You can block your host with another host. Okay. You can block easily. Understand the concept? But in standard ACL, either I can block my own network or my own host with everyone, or I can block specific host with my network or specific network. So basically extended ACL is used nowadays. And on the other hand, this is the theory of ACL. Okay, this is the theory of ACL. Now we have to discuss the practical over standard ACL and extended ACL. Okay, so let me start the practical with standard ACL. STANDARD, standard ACL. So I already told you. So we will start with the example of numbered ACL. So standard ACL has a numbered range 199. Oh, sorry, 1 to 99. So first of all, we need to understand the concept. Like you are blocking your own network with everyone, or you are blocking outsider with your network. So even it is standard or extended, you can put it into 2 modes, like 2 interface. ACL can be implemented via two types: inside inbound access list. You can put ACL with two types: inbound ACL and outbound ACL. Like if you are blocking your own network with everyone, even you are blocking your own network or you are blocking your own host with everyone, then you can say that this is your inbound ACL. Like you have to put the command in inbound. But if you are blocking any outsider coming into your network, like any person coming in this class, okay, then you have to define that it is your outbound ACL. So to perform this, you need to understand the concept in and out. So I will take an example. Like for example, I have one network that is already done on Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, I have already done a network. I have already made any network on Cisco Packet Tracer, and that network is like one router, two router, three router, one switch, two switch, three switch, and after that I have one PC, two PC, one PC, two PC, one PC, two PC, and they all are connected with each other. Now, this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we have, what are the condition we can block? Okay, we have the condition like you can block your on 10.0.0.0/29 with everyone. Or second condition is you can block any specific host, like example 10.0.0.1 with anyone. If you are doing practical on router number 1 and you are blocking your on network or on PC, then this is called inbound. If on your router you are blocking like 20, 50 or 30 network on your router, you are putting command on R1, you are blocking 30, 50 or 20, then that is your outbound. Okay. Please repeat. Okay, you want to repeat? Okay. If you are on router number 1 and you are blocking your own network with everyone, like I don't want to allow you to go outside. Yeah. Then this is inbound. If any outsider person wants to come in my network, then if I know that this is the outside person, so I have to put command out. Okay, let me show you one example. So first of all, I want to clear the syntax, like syntax for blocking network. Okay, so the syntax is access list. I already told you access list is an important topic and it is a set of commands. So syntax for blocking network, access list, any ACL number. So if you are using your standard ACL, the number range is 199. Okay, so you can use any ACL number here. Any number 1, 2, 99, and you have to put the command deny network ID that you want to block and its wildcard mask. Okay. This one. First of all, you have to put the command access list, any ACL number, deny keyword, and that network you want to block and its wildcard. And in second line, you have to put access list 1 to 99, permit any. Now the meaning of any is like the network you want to block you have assigned, but all other networks are permitted. Okay. Now, after that, you have to put that on interface type, like any fast Ethernet serial. and after that IP access group, the number you have used, and in or outbound. You have to write like this. Okay, if you are blocking your own network, then in, otherwise out. So I will copy this and I will open Notepad and I will write the syntax over there. Okay, and let's go back at tracer. Okay, and here you can check. Come Navjot, come. Navjot is here also. So I have already made this design. Okay, I have already, this design is with me. Done. So first of all, I have to do routing here because routing is not here. So any routing you want to use, I want to use RIP here because it is very easy. And but in CCNA part, RIP is not there. It was a previous command. Okay. Just to connect with this, you have to use OSPF. Done. 30 and 50. Okay, so now they will ping each other. Now they will ping with each other. First packet will fail and next packet is successful. So they will ping with each other. So I told you that I have used this syntax. I want to block any network. So now you have two options. Like you have to put command on router number 1. Okay. Yes. This is the ACL concept, security concept. Now I'm taking task like I want to block on R1 that 10.0.0.0/29 will not ping with any other. So according to your syntax, I have to put the command. So I want to block the 10 network with everyone. So what I have to do, I have to click on router, access list, question mark. You want to use standard access list, access list 1, deny 10.0.0.0.007. Access list 1, permit any. If you want to check the syntax side by side, you can check. Okay. Access list, deny network ID and wildcard mask. Access list 1, permit any. Now, interface, fast Ethernet 0x0. IP access group number 1, inbound. Why I used in? Because I am blocking my own network on my own router. Okay. So if you use this command, you can check show access list. So deny 10, permit 10. Now, if you are able to, if you want to check ping, then 10 will not ping with any other.
Oh, you blocked it.
Yes, I blocked 10 with everyone. And if you want to allow, then you have to put the command again and no IP access group 1 in, exit and no access list 1. And when you put this command, your PC is able to ping with others. Now, what is the difference between inbound and outbound? Now on router, if you want to block, like if you want that only 30 will not be able to ping with 10, but 20 will ping with 10, 50 with 10, 40 will ping with 10. Then on the same router, I can use command access list 1, deny 30.000.0.0.0.7 access list 1 permit any, but interface FA 0/0 you have to put command IP access group 1 out. Why out? Because for R1 30 is outsider. Okay, if outsider wants to block, like do show history, you can check here. For R1 10 is inside, so in as used, but for 30 it is used out. Now you can check 30 will not be able to ping with 10, but 20 can ping with 10. Understand? If I'm doing outsiding, if I'm using outsider concept, you can check in simulation. 30 try to ping with 10. It go to the router, but router not allowed. So it say go back to your home. Understand? And if you are using inside, then this packet will no go outside via this port. Like you understand the concept in and out? Now, another syntax is, this is the syntax for blocking the network. Now, if you want to block only single host, if you want to block single host like 10.0.0.1 or another, all the concept remains same and only change in commands. If you want to block only 10.0.0.1 or 30.0.0.1, then the syntax is this, like access list number deny host. You don't need to put wildcard mask here. Okay, for example, you want to block this 10.0.0.1 with everyone. Same as I have to put on this. First of all, no IP access group out, no access list 1. Okay, so you can check there is no access list. Do show access list. So access list 1 deny host 10.0.0.1. Access list 1 deny host 10.0.0.1. Access list 1 permit any, like only 10 is blocked, but others are permitted. Interface FA 0/0, IP access group 1, inbound. Now again, I want to let you know, I have used inbound because 10 is my own network. If I don't want to allow you to go outside, you are my inbound mode. If any other outsider person want to come in this network, then out you have to write. Okay, only this is the difference. Like in simulation, you can check if 10 wants to ping with 20, now 10 is not able to allow. It will go back. And if 10.0.0.2 wants to ping with this, wait, it can easily ping. Yes. So only 10.0.0.1 is blocked by this router. Like 10, you are not allowed to go outside. You will be in inside. Okay. Now, so you can use the no command with this and no access list 1. Now I am using all the practical on same router. You can make another topologies. Understand the concept? You can make another topologies. So access list 1 deny host, for example 20.0.0.1 I want to block. Okay, rest of the commands are same. Access list 1 permit any, interface FA 0/0, but IP access group 1 20 is outsider for me. So I have to use out here. And now 20 will not able to ping with these pieces. You can check in simulation. 20 try to ping with this. 20 will go to my router. But they said you are not allowed to enter here. So if any outsider wants to come in your network, you can put out. If any insider network you want to block, you can put in. So this is the standard ACL, and these are the basically 4 practicals. So I think first of all, you need to practice this. And on next day, we will discuss about extended ACL, because in extended ACL, there will be a specific blocking. Understand the concept? So if you have any doubt, you can write to me. I'm going to stop the recording here. Thank you.